Alright, go crazy.
Just kids. Yeah, go. We don't want no birds to come out.
Look at all the birds in here.
Oh. He's hungry.
I have no food for you.
Wow.